Good night my people, good night. So as you can see, Babe and I are here, and we're heading to Ribbiz. We're heading to Ribbiz.
If them let me in.
Eh?
If them let me in, I don't know them say reservation works up on weekend.
Oh. Yeah, Babe, fit no for true. Like what's that, there is a high possibility, you know, for true. But if they're not let you in, if they're not let you in, no, if they're not let you in, let's see what them get a joke. As we said, if they're not let you in, we go somewhere else, hopefully. But yeah, they better let you in as just so they get go. Come on, thugs out here. So guys, them not let you in. They not let you in a joke. They not let you in a joke. So they said that they moved. And Babe, no, so they move and have we go around place.
Tell me how me know say them move.
That's what I just say, I didn't know. Yes.
They had a different location.
Oh, as in different branch then open.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah. So we're going to that location now. And as I said, there should be a bigger space. So hopefully the reservation thing is not needed. So fingers crossed, that's where we're going and such. So we're on the road again. Yeah, so let's go.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
Hold on. Let us find the lights. That's where it is. Found the wait like that. Alright. Wanna see me? Hi. So sorry, thank you. We found the lights. Hi y'all. So well, oh my god, the road bad, people. The road bad. But yeah, so we got into Ribbiz, as you can see. You saw the videos and all of that. But let me say no. It's what I call it. When you're going to Ribbiz, you have to clearly make a reservation, right? Yeah. The first girl to enter the place now, because this was like 10, almost to 11. She tell us say she's gonna let us in still, but you know, if anybody else is coming with us, what happened? Oh, yeah, stop.
Don't worry about that.
Oh. So if anybody else is coming with us, she
you have to pay.
You have to pay $2,000. You have to pay $2,000. So I was like, okay. But she said she'll let me in still because it wasn't too late after 10:30, because I asked her when is the cutoff time, and she says 10:30.
I know that you can imagine. You can imagine me pay $2,000.
Yeah, so imagine if you come after 2:30, right?
To buy liquor.
Yeah.
And to buy food.
Yeah.
Me have to pay one to spend my money. Shake your business.
Yeah. Yeah, if you're going to Ribbiz for the first, you know, yeah, it's too much. It's too much.
After 10:30.
So after 10:30 you have to pay $2,000. $2,000 to come in. But trust me, even when I leave, a lot of persons came in. But to be honest, it have a vibe. It have a vibe once the selector start playing music you want to hear.
Bear in mind, we left prematurely.
Yeah, we left prematurely and it was still vibes. So yeah, but we're possibly going to another little little link up and such, because this is what time now, 2:03. Yeah, and I'm leaving tomorrow, so you know, a girl wants to enjoy herself before I leave, so let's just see. I don't wait. Now let's say no lie, before we didn't get to Ribbiz, we did mash up so many times, but man, that vibes, you know? Yeah.
Bakla Camper, Moet.
Yeah.
On the beach.
On the beach.
Yeah, beer man say we got Ochi.
Yeah, so that was a drive again.
Yeah,
I know I saw the video with the tubing. That's honestly some week come off, right?
Week flyer! Flyer!
Yeah, so it was a lot. It was a lot. So yeah. So really tired going to Ribbiz. So I just went, now we're under the vibe, so I just kinda try to keep up the energy. Supposed to have a link up tomorrow before I leave because I'm flying out tomorrow. Babe, not even tomorrow, today.
Later.
Yes, I'm flying out today, tomorrow, and such. But yeah, we are head home right now, and you know, want to focus and have a safe.
Bun shop.
Oh, not home. We go where?
Bun shop.
Burn shop. Bun shop. Yeah, so yeah, we are going to bun shop and hold a little vibes and heading and you know, rate and do. So we link you guys back up later.
I met them when we reach a bun shop. That fuel car with the Pinto. With a Pinto, you know, you see me?
So Pinto is how far from? Yeah, guys, I'm so sorry for the bumps. Probably 5 minutes? 10 minutes?
Yeah, about 10 minutes. No, sir. Yeah, I know it's part of the
guys, forget more to do, you know? So we got to the party. But music I play, so you know the copywriting. So yeah, it's like a roadside thing for the guys. So we're there, whole vibe till we go home. You see me? So we'll come back to you because I think the copyright and thing. Huh? Next time. Yeah, so you know it's single. So yeah guys, so as I say, music I play, so we'll come back to you later. So come. Yeah. Guys, yo.
Right now, I ready. We just reach and I dig off, because I guess I go on. He plays cool. Never bargain for this hat.
Because God knows.
Never bargain for
Get to
this.
their tongues. Sorry. Yeah. No, I'm good, man. You ready? Yeah, I'm good. I'm used to this type of weather.
You're supposed to be.
Yeah, I'm used to this. I'm used to this type of weather.
That's so much cool.
Which one?
Sure. So everyone has so much cool, but dance I go on good still, but
Wow.
never prepared.
The weather.
The weather rough.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Alright, ready. Hey y'all, so thank you. I was supposed to leave yesterday. No, today. No, I thought.
Yes, sir.
No matter them say literally. Yeah, go. What about the entrance? Oh. That's true. Hey guys, so today was supposed to be the D-Day, but it's gonna be tomorrow instead. Nothing is wrong.
Don't know, she know I left it done, you know?
Don't play yourself. But that was true. Yeah, I didn't want to leave, so but I'm gonna leave in the morning. I'm leaving in the morning and stuff, and you know, it also be more suitable for me to get some rest as well for work. So yeah, so we're at my favorite place right now. You know, when I call this place, when I call it the folk. Yeah, so we're at the famous folk food and stuff. So it's like get something to grab on and bring up some and to finish packing and all of that.
Finish up when I started. I'm still in there, like, I know she didn't start doing that.
Anyways, finish packing and all that. Huh? Yeah, so I'm finished that before, yeah. So I'm gonna finish packing and then I wanna watch a horror movie, so hopefully that happens. Yeah guys, so see you later. My battery is dying, so see you later. Baby, KFC for days.
She say it for me alone. Me alone.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's the D-Day. It's the D-Day to me leaving. We just went to Tasties and got some patties. I didn't exactly get what I wanted, but it's better than nothing. So we're on our way to the airport. I got some breakfast for myself as well. So yeah, but the traffic is heavy. The traffic is heavy. It's what time now? 7:41. Flight is at 10. They're boarding at 9:34. So just have to check my my thingy. So this not there. The dumpling there. The dumpling. In there. Where?
Looking at the other bag, if you can.
Some fried dumpling and stewed chicken.
I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me. Music chose me, just know